Hello, everybody, and welcome to Mr. McGillicuddy's math class. Today we are talking about numbers, which is a big part of math class. So as you see here, we have some numbers. These are numbers as well. You have to do something with those numbers to get a new number, and that is the goal of math. So as you can see in this equation here, Dante earned $7.25 for each hour he worked. He's obviously got a pretty cruddy job. You should be making more money than that. Either way, he's got $232 in the bank, but $500 in bills, so he's in debt about $268. As we move on to this part of the lesson, you make sure you know your vocabulary. Prism, rectangular prism, volume. This is again how loud you can listen to music while you're doing your homework. So make sure you are aware of those definitions. A little four square action. What this picture of a cat's doing here, I have no idea. It has nothing to do with math. Unless you want to have two cats and they have two cats. How many cats total do you have? Oh, now I see the cat's hanging out looking for that fish. That's why the cat's there. And finally, as you know, 5/4 of all Americans are bad at fractions. Quiz coming up. End of the week, 500 questions. And you'll be graded on spelling as well. So thank you very much and enjoy this week in math class, Mr. McGillicuddy's math session. Thank you.